Want a smile you can show off, but not sure how to get there? Could All-On-4 implants make your dreams a possibility? Let's find out. Hi, I'm Dr. Richard McConnell from Secure Dentures and Implants, right here in Little Rock, Arkansas. Today, we're diving into an exciting topic that could change the way you think about dental restoration. All-On-4 dental implants. If you're considering a full arch restoration, this innovative solution might just be what you need. Let's get started. What are All-On-4 dental implants? These implants are a groundbreaking option for patients who have lost most or all of their teeth in one or both arches. Instead of placing an implant for each missing tooth, the All-On-4 procedure utilizes just 4 strategically placed implants to support an entire set of replacement teeth. Here at Secure Dentures and Implants, we proudly refer to this procedure as Secure Smile. Why should you consider the All-On-4 or Secure Smile system? There are several fantastic benefits. First, it's cost-effective because you require fewer implants. Second, the procedure can often be completed in a single day. Many patients leave our office with a temporary set of teeth right after the procedure. Lastly, All-On-4 implants provide excellent stability and function, allowing you to eat and speak normally without worry. Now, let's walk through the Secure Smile or All-On-4 procedure step by step. Step 1, initial consultation. We kick things off with a comprehensive consultation, including x-rays and a 3D imaging to assess your jawbone and create a personalized treatment plan tailored to your needs. Step 2, implant placement. On the day of the procedure, we'll place 4 implants into your jawbone. 2 of these implants are positioned vertically, while the other 2 are angled back toward the bone, maximizing support even in cases of bone loss. Step 3, temporary teeth. After the implants are placed, we attach a temporary bridge, allowing you to leave with a functional smile while your implants heal. Step 4, healing period. Over the next few months, the implants will integrate with your jawbone through a process called osseointegration, establishing a stable foundation for your permanent teeth. Step 5, final restoration and new smile. Once healed, we replace the temporary bridge with a custom-made permanent prosthesis that looks and feels just like your natural teeth. What's truly remarkable is that Secure Smile or All-On-4 implants boast an impressive success rate, often exceeding 95%. That's what I call success. However, maintaining good oral hygiene and attending regular dental checkups are crucial for ensuring your long-time success. Patients of various ages and backgrounds can be excellent candidates for All-On-4 implants or Secure Smile, especially those with significant tooth loss or those looking to upgrade from traditional dentures. A thorough evaluation is essential to determine if that option is right for you. In summary, All-On-4 dental implants or Secure Smile offer an extraordinary solution for those needing full arch teeth replacement. With fewer implants and the stability to leave with a temporary set of teeth the same day, it's both a convenient and effective option. If you're interested in learning more about Secure Smile or All-On-4 implants, or if you want to see if you qualify, I encourage you to schedule a free consultation at one of our Secure Denture and Implant locations, because we're more than just affordable. We're here to help you secure your smile. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more dental tips and insights. Have questions or experiences to share? Drop them in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. Until next time, take care and keep smiling.